guys, Mark from JunkGuysRGrandeValley here with another video. Today we have a tire removal and disposal. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of tires right behind me, and we're about to start removing them. So I'm gonna show you a little time lapse of us loading them up to the trailer, and let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, we loaded up all the tires and we have the area all cleaned up. We raked a little bit just to leave it as clean as possible, and we're all done. Alright guys, as you just saw in that last clip, we just disposed of our tires here at the tire disposal facility. They're state certified, so you know us. We try to recycle and dispose of our items properly. So if you need any type of tire removal, any type of tire disposal, give us a call at 956-628-0910, or you can book us online at JunkGuysRioGrandeValley.com. The link will be down in the description below, so you can check us out there. And we're all done. So there it is, guys, and until next time.